Today I will show you how to increase the cool in your LG refrigerator. Please don't skip the video until the end because I will show you exactly which jumper we have to cut here. So here you can see JCR3 and JCR4. JCR3 and JCR4 is minusing 2 Celsius. So 2 Celsius means it will increase more cool. If you cut JCR1 and 2, it will not increase the cool. It will decrease the cool more. So make sure you are cutting JCR3 and JCR4. So it will decrease the Celsius 2 Celsius. So it will increase the cool. So make sure, please follow the. You can see here I already cut JCR4 and JCR3. So you can see the left side also JCR4, JCR3, JCR2, JCR1 also. So make sure you have to cut only JCR3 and JCR4.